See this cowlick. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. Are you shocked? Oh my god. This wig review is brought to you by Janet Collections, aka it is sponsored by Janet Collections. Thank you guys so much for always trusting me with your wigs. This is like my 6th wig review with them and I'm like super excited. I love them so much. They've always been super kind to me and I've had some hit and misses back in the day, but she was my first gray wig, honey. She started this gray queenness going on here. So anyway, speaking of gray, I got a curly gray wig in the OET1B silver, which was the first color that I ever bought from my Janet Collection wig. It's just always so surreal when I get one of these wigs. Anyway, I will be trying out the Janet Collection Brazilian scent. I don't know, is it supposed to smell like something? Because I never know. This one is Human Hair Premium Blend, protein infused lace wig. Premium blend means premium fibers, so they feel like 100% human hair, but they're not 100% human hair. You catch the drift. Anyway, this one is in Rain. 1, my favorite thing ever is Rain. 2, my favorite color ever is OET1B silver. So yeah, pop her out the package. If I was to ever make a wig or collaborate with someone to make a wig, I would request a multitude of gray tones. Like my wig will have at least 3 different gray tones to it. And then of course it'll have its blondes, its ash blondes, black, 1B, 2, red. The red, I'm very particular with my reds. So that one will be popping. We'll put it out in the universe that one day I will get to collaborate with a company and create my most perfect, you know, synthetic wig. And it's gonna come in a multitude of grays. You can at me on that. Ooh, she's a little intimidating. This is not my hair texture. Oh, wow. I love curly hair, but like because curly hair is so full, I feel like I won't wear it well. But she's so beautiful. She doesn't have extreme shine. Let's take her out of the complete packaging. We gonna try you on, baby. She's got baby hairs. I live, not that I do anything with them. Anyway, they changed the way that their lace feels. It used to be really sharp and it hurt a little bit, at least when I first got the wigs. So this is like a French lace. It's not super soft, but it's not harsh or hard at all. So when you cut it, it's not stabbing you in the head, which is amazing. So I'm gonna show you the wig construction. This is a traditional, how I know, Janet Collections. 2 combs on the side, the lace parting space. It has the lace. The cap construction is always the same for all the Janet Collections. It has these tracks, these lace tracks on it with the tracks attached to it. This one has a comb in the back and the adjustable straps, which we're not going to bother touching right now. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Y'all don't know. She's so pretty. I don't know if I can wear this hair though. I don't know if I look pretty enough to wear this hair. The baby hairs on this are so cute. It makes it look like my hairs are sticking out, which I'm more than fine with. If you guys see me in my natural habitat, I have these like wonky curls sometimes that just stick out from my edges. And yeah, oh my god, her density feels really nice. Her cut is like short. I mean, trying to put her up so like I'm not feeling like it's too much in my face, especially if I'm at work. So that's cute. Oh, I love it. I wish this unit came something like this, a little bit not as full, and the curls to be a little bit droopier. I'm gonna go ahead, turn around, show you guys the back of the wig. Clearly you're not going to see any tracks with this. If you were to see tracks with a wig like this, then I would contact the company. The curls are gorgeous. It doesn't go down too far down my back. Wow, she's full. I don't know why I didn't think she would be full. And the thing that is with the color, with the shade, this shade right here, it's going to look even fuller because it's a light color, but she looks gorgeous. Let me do something with the part. I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder. I love their lace because when I put my powder, regardless of what powder I put, it like just works better. I mean, I definitely do look like a Latina Chaka Khan. This is like a light yaki texture. Of course, it's even more textured now that it has curls. This wig does frizz up. If you want to add oils to it or whatever, definitely you can do that. This unit is not shiny at all. The curl pattern is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. The color, of course, you know I love. So I really do like this wig. I just wish I can finesse it a lot better. I wish it would look, maybe I'm a little intimidated because she is so voluminous and very lioness, which I'm okay with. This wig's gorgeous. I'm not even mad at it. I wish I was like Superwoman and I could wear everything and anything I want. I think she is so pretty. Definitely got I'm in the island vibes because of the humidity. So she is a little frizzy, which is, it adds to the natural texture of it. So if you want this in a 1B, she would look phenomenal in a 1B. It also comes in the black blue, the black purple, this silver, the black green, the OET1B 30, and the OET1B burgundy. So their OET shades with the whatever transition colors, they do really, really well. It's not like harsh. You see how it's blended? There's grays blended in this, so it makes it even better. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Rain wig by Janet Collections. This is the Brazilian scent Rain unit in the shade OET1B Silver. Let me know what you guys think down below. Sound off. You guys know I love seeing your comments. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.